You probably saw my video on the HP Chameleon retractable hose system. Just wanted to do a little update, and I've just installed the CamPort modification to the Chameleon valve. And the CamPort allows you to use your Chameleon hose in standard central vacuum inlets, and it's really a two-part kit. One part is on the end of the hose, this little part, which you glue in, and that allows you to take the hose and activate any standard central vacuum inlet to which you plug the hose. And the other part is, if you can see in there, better. Okay, so this little flap closes off so that when the system is activated, it seals the opening. So when your Chameleon hose is in the valve, it's in that position, and when you remove the hose, you shut this, and you can now take your same Chameleon hose and use it in any other inlet in the system. And this allows you to have a hybrid sort of system where you have one central vac hose, it's stored in the retractable inlet, and you use it all over the house. So we've now taken the Chameleon hose and plugged it in there to a standard valve. And then you can vacuum anywhere else in the house that doesn't have retractable inlets. And then when you're done, you store your hose back in here by simply opening the CamPort valve seal, turning on, and retracting the hose as normal. So it makes a really sort of cool hybrid system where you can have standard inlets in your lesser vacuumed areas of your home. You can have a retractable hose system, and you can use the same hose for both.